Yogesh, I'm sorry, I'm having to cut across to some breaking news coming in as AIADMK has given an open invitation to Rajni. This is coming in the backdrop of Rajnikant announcing his party and details of which will be out on the 31st of December. But it is O. Paneerselvam who's reacted to Rajnikant's entry into politics and the formation of his party while wishing him good luck. He's also gone on to say that in politics, anything can happen. If there are chances, there will be an alliance. So is this the AIADMK giving an open invitation to Rajnikant? And are there chances of a possible alliance between the two parties? We don't know that yet, and we will try and play out that reaction very shortly. But this is the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu making an open offer to Rajnikant, inviting him for an alliance. So lots has been going on since this morning. Ever since Rajnikant has put out details of how the party announcement will be made on the 31st of December. I want to cut across to Apurva joining us on the broadcast because Apurva, this is the AIADMK giving an open invitation to Rajnikant, and it is on everyone's mind if an alliance is possible between the two.
Well, that's right. In fact, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, O. Paneerselvam, in Theni, while meeting with the press members today after Rajnikant had made his political entry statement, in fact, he has said that, yes, they welcome Rajnikant into politics. Not only that, OPS has also said that in the future, anything can happen in politics. And yes, if everything is in politics, anything can happen. If there are chances, there will be an alliance with Rajnikant, is what OPS has clearly stated. This comes at a time when there had already been speculations that had been going on that Rajnikant might be joining the debate, might be forming alliances with various other political parties here in the state, including BJP as well as AIADMK. We also need to remember that AIADMK already has an standing alliance with the BJP as well. While we need to also see that, yes, the AIADMK has announced that they have an alliance with BJP, but the BJP, there is a rift that is ongoing between AIADMK and BJP. And at this juncture, when Rajnikant has announced his political entry, we will need to see what will be the steps that Rajni will be taking ahead in January. Will he be joining with any of the other political parties that he has received an invitation from, or will he be leading solo from Rajini Makkal Mandram? That is something that we will know for sure in January next year.
Right. Of course, we continue to track all the developments very closely. For the moment, thank you for joining.